What if I told you that every thought, every success, and every positive experience you've had could be transformed into an unstoppable force? A force that's so strong that pushes you past doubt, fear, and hesitation. That's the force of confidence, and it's the foundation for every success, especially in investing. Confidence isn't luck, it's the talent and the skill and a process that, most importantly, a mindset. Think of it as a mental bank account. Every positive thought you focus on, every win you celebrate, is a deposit into that account. Over time, those deposits grow and compound, just like a financial portfolio. But here's the problem: most people let setbacks, failures, or fear drain their account. They don't know how to make a consistent deposit necessary to build an unshakable confidence. I learned this the hard way. Early in my career, I was just like many of you, driven but unsure of myself. I remember facing a critical deal worth millions, one that could either establish my reputation or ruin it. I was paralyzed by doubt, overthinking every detail. The turning point came when I remembered one simple principle: focus on your past successes, no matter how small. That shift gave me clarity, courage, and ultimately the ability to close the deal. Since then, confidence has been my greatest asset, not just in business, but in life. And today, I'm going to show you how to build your own confidence bank, one deposit at a time. You might be asking, why is confidence so important for investing? The answer is simple: execution. The most brilliant investment strategy in the world is worthless if fear keeps you from taking action. Confidence bridges the gap between what you know, what you to do, and actually doing it. Dr. Nate Zinsler, a performance psychologist, describes confidence as informed instinctiveness. It's when preparation, practice, and focus allow you to act decisively without hesitation. Let me give you a real world example. At Infinity 9, I've built a portfolio delivering over 20% annual return spanning 10 countries and numerous asset classes. That success wasn't just about analyzing data or spotting trends. It's about having the conviction to act on those insights. Whether I'm negotiating with international investors or identifying emerging markets, confidence allows me to execute with precision. This principle applies to everyone from seasoned professionals to first-time investors. Confidence isn't reserved for the elite. It's a skill anyone can build. And when you combine confidence with sound strategy, you become unstoppable. Let's get personal. How many times have you hesitated on a decision, second guessed yourself, or let that doubt hold you back? Maybe you've missed out on a lucrative investment, avoided taking calculated risk, or delayed a life-changing move because you weren't sure if you could handle it. I've been there. One of my toughest moments in my career was deciding whether to invest in a luxury real estate development in Miami. The market was volatile, the stakes were high, and my team wasn't unanimous in their recommendations. Every instinct told me that it was the right move, but fear crept in. What changed? I paused and reminded myself of every successful deal I've executed before. I realized the outcome: a thriving property, happy investors, and a transformative impact on my portfolio. That clarity didn't just calm my nerves, it gave me the courage to move forward. Today, that development is one of the crown jewels of my portfolio. This is why confidence matters. Without it, even the best opportunities can slip through your fingers. With it, you can turn obstacles into stepping stones. Now let's dive into the practical steps to build your confidence bank. A. Selective memory deposits. Confidence is built by focusing on the right memories. Every time you recall a win, whether it's closing a deal, making a smart investment, or overcoming adversity, you're making a deposit into your confidence bank. One of my most powerful deposits came when I co founded the Miami Family Office Club. The stakes were high, but I learned on the memory of past wins, like securing my first major international investor, to fuel my belief in the project. Your action. Create a top 10 list of your successes. Include moments where you demonstrated skill, resilience, or leadership. Revisit this list often to keep your confidence account growing. B. Daily ESP reflections. The ESP technique, effort, success, progress, is a daily ritual I practice to stay focused on growth. Every evening, I reflect on three questions. 1. What effort did I give today? 2. What small success did I achieve? And 3. Where did I make progress? This practice keeps me centered even on challenging days. For example, during my recovery from a severe polo accident, this technique helped me stay motivated by highlighting incremental progress. Your action? Dedicate 5 minutes to each day to these reflections. C. Affirmations and visualization. Before any major decision, I visualize success. I picture every detail, the environment, the people, the results. This mental rehearsal primes my body and my brain for action and reinforces my confidence. Your action? Write affirmations like make bold, informed decisions or I thrive under pressure. Visualize these affirmations daily to strengthen your belief. A personal favorite, don't crack under pressure. But Ahmad, what about failure? Let's talk about it. Failure is inevitable, but it doesn't have to destroy your confidence. Instead, use setbacks as stepping stones. Here's my formula for reframing failure. Number 1, temporary. Recognize that one bad decision doesn't define your future. 2, limited. Understand that a failure isn't just one event. It doesn't reflect your entire capability. And 3, it's non-representative. Separate the failure from your identity. For example, I once invested in a tech startup that failed within the first year. It was painful, but instead of dwelling on the loss, I analyzed what went wrong, applied the lessons, and moved forward. Today, those lessons guide my approach to high-risk ventures. You have to silence negative thoughts using the acknowledge, silence, replace technique, which is the following. Acknowledge the doubt, tell yourself stop, and replace it with constructive affirmation like, I learn and I grow from every experience. Here's how you can start applying these principles today. Number 1, build your confidence bank. Keep a journal of wins and revisit them weekly. 2, daily ESP reflections. Focus on effort, success, and progress every day. 3, affirmation routine. Write affirmations tailored to your goals and rehearse them. 4, flat tire drills. Visualize obstacles and how you'll overcome them. 5, after action reviews. Post-decision, analyze what went well, what could have improved, and how to apply those lessons moving forward. Confidence doesn't just transform your mindset, it transforms your results. Join me at Infinity 9, where I combined investment mastery and exclusive investment opportunities. This is your chance to access strategies, mentorship, and community that will elevate your game. Remember, greatness is built on small, consistent actions. Confidence, like wealth, compounds over time. Think like an ant. Small steps every day move mountains. Stay confident, stay focused, and as always, keep investing in your future.